Hey, this is Dirk, and I want to show you how to make money online in an industry that's approaching $1 billion per day. Massive industry. And you can do this right now as you're watching this with the knowledge that you've acquired in your life and your life experience. Turn that into a digital product and sell it online. So if you want to keep learning, keep watching. If you're not interested in this, feel free to hit the skip button. Alright, so this industry is massive, alright? And some of the biggest names like Tony Robbins, Russell Brunson, Dean Graziosi, they're all talking about this. And some other big names, they're all participating in this. Whether it's Grant Cardone, Gary Vaynerchuk, Ryan Deiss, right? They're participating in this online business model, right? Forbes has estimated that it's going to be a $325 billion a year industry by the year 2025. Reuters is saying it's going to be $275 billion per year in the next 2 years. The Inc.com is talking about this $300 billion industry, right? So this is really massive, and it's just out there on some of the biggest names, right? So it's really important to pay attention. Now, what the heck am I talking about, right? What I'm talking about, what this industry is, it's called e-learning. And quite simply what it is it's digital information, right? So we're coming up to almost $1 billion per day that people around the world are spending online on digital information. And this can be education, right? It can be ebooks. It can be premium courses. It can be like online classes that you follow, that you pay a membership for. It can be a monthly forum or something like that where you pay a monthly fee to be a part of. The point is, it's premium, right? So you're paying money to get access to this exclusive information online, and it is just projected to keep growing. It's massive. Now, if you want to learn more, I've prepared a completely free web class. It's 1 hour long where I break down the entire training, 100% free to register. So make sure to click on this video and you'll be able to go and register for that training. Now, the cool thing is that you don't need to be an expert. You don't need to be a Tony Robbins or a Grant Cardone or a Russell Brunson to be able to participate. In fact, there's almost no barrier to entry. All you need is right now as you're sitting here, a computer, a smartphone, and an internet connection, and you can create a digital product that you can sell online, and you can start making, a couple $100, a couple $1,000 a month on the side. Or if you want, it has potential to turn into a full-time 6-figure or even 7-figure per year business. There are plenty of people around the world who are achieving those numbers. Now, it's not going to happen overnight, but it is completely possible. And this is an amazing, amazing business model. Here's why. So you can see over here, what I have these 3 circles, right? 1, 2, and 3. And this is basically the big bird's eye picture how this all works. So it consists of 3 components, and where they overlap in the center, that is the sweet spot that you can use to create a digital product that you can sell online that has a high chance of success. But on top of that, it has the ability to make an impact, right? To help people while you get paid. So basically, number 1 is you can take your knowledge, right? Your knowledge and your experience that you've gained over your life. Right now as you're watching this, right? Like throughout your life, maybe you've learned a lot from school, from your university or college education, from your career, perhaps from self-study or experience, right? You have this knowledge and experience, and that is something that could perhaps benefit other people, right? So that is component number 1. Component number 2 is your talents. All right? So everyone has things that they're naturally more good at, right? They gravitate towards that. So for some people that might be physical, it might be, sports or fitness or something like that. For other people it might be more mental, right? It might be that you're good with math, or you're good at connecting dots and being very, very good programming, mathematics, that kind of stuff. For other people, it might be something like social skills, where you're just really good at talking to people and making friends and creating relationships, right? So whatever your talents are, that's another aspect that you can consider combining with your knowledge and experience. And then point number 3, right, is your passions. And this is very important, because if you do something that you don't enjoy, right, you're going to be spending a large part of your life, not being completely fulfilled or maybe even miserable. So it's very important to work in a passion to something that you do to generate an income, right? So if you're only chasing money and you're not passionate about it, chances are you're not going to be fulfilled. But also, secondly, you're going to be working on this and you're not going to enjoy yourself, and you might give up. You might be burnt out. You might not just care and sabotage any success that you already have. So it's important to find your passions. So when you find something, right, and this is a little exercise that you're going to want to do, you want to find out what is your knowledge and experience. Write down those things. You want to find out what are your talents. Write down a whole list of things that you're good at, and write down your passions. And when you find something where these overlap, that's something that you can turn into a digital product, right? Where you can help people, right? There's a lot of people who have problems, right? So if you can take all your knowledge, your talents, and your passions, create something that helps people, and then sell it online following a proven strategy, then, you can build a full-time business around this. So again, I've prepared a completely free 1-hour presentation where I break down this entire business model and show you how you can take your knowledge, experience, passions, and talents, turn it into a digital product, and launch that within the next 90 days. So again, that web class is below, so just click on the video or click on the link below the video. You'll be able to register, and it's right there available for you. I'm going to break this down and you can get started right away. So just FYI, I personally believe this is the best online business model, right? It is a massive industry. It is only projected to keep growing. I've been doing this myself since 2013, right? I've been creating and selling my own products online successfully. I may add, I've been able to travel the world and stuff like that as a result of it, because it gives you the freedom, right? If you're able to do this, right, and you're able to make a full-time income with this, right, you can do this on your own terms, because like I said, you need a laptop, an internet connection, and a smartphone. Right? You can do this from anywhere in the world with a laptop and an internet connection, right? So once you have that freedom to be able to travel, to move around. On top of that, one thing that I really like about this business model, right, is that you're able to do this around something that you're passionate about, right? Very, very important, at least to me, right? I don't want to wake up every day and do something I hate. I want to do something that I'm excited about. I'm excited to wake up in the I'm be like, heck yeah, I'm going to spend the next few hours working on something that doesn't feel like work because it's so awesome. I love to do it anyway, right? So it combines that passion element. On top of that, the ability to really help people and make a difference in other people's lives, right? Whatever industry that you choose to go in. You can go in health or fitness or relationships or cars or sports or whatever it is, right? But what you're going to be doing is you're going to be helping other people improve their lives in some way or come closer to achieving their goals, or right? Make a difference, help someone lose weight or get fitter or make more money or have a better relationship, right? You're doing this as a result of this business, and as a side benefit, you get paid for doing that, So can you start to see why I think this business model is literally the best business model? You can put your face on it. You can put your name on it. You can be proud to have this business. It is sustainable, right? If you build it, it can be here for many, many years to come. And another benefit is of this model, right? And we're going to go into depth on the web class. So make sure to register for that web class. Another benefit of this model is basically you can create this once, right? And because it's a digital product, right? Meaning like it's a series of videos or it's an ebook or a newsletter or something like that. It means you create it one time, right? You put in the work originally to create this, whether it takes you a couple of weeks or a couple of months to set it all up. But once it's set up, right, the work is done and you can continue to sell that for months and years to come off that initial work. Right? So unlike a lot of other business models where you have to keep working to be able to keep making money, once you have this product to sell and it's all set up, you can keep selling it over and over again because it's digital, right? You can make as many copies as you want, sell it to thousands of people for the same price as selling it to one person because it's a digital product. There's no costs, there's no expiration, right? There's no storage costs, there's no production costs, none of that stuff. So this is really, really awesome. So, like I said, I'm incredibly excited about this. I've prepared this presentation for you to break down in detail exactly how this works, how you can get started within the next 90 days, and it is available right now. So go ahead, click the link on this video or below this video, go and register for the web class. I will see you there, and I will show you exactly how you can build an online business with your knowledge, experience, passions, and talents, turn that into a digital product and sell it online. I will see you on the web class. Peace.